Pranam to all. For the last 2 days, the Delhi's climate is so pleasant. Rain lashed parts of Delhi on Friday morning, bringing the temperature down to under 30 degrees Celsius. As a gardener, we have a lot of things to do in this rainy season. Okay, so today I will show you how to grow ginger in pot. If you don't already have access to a ginger plant, you can purchase a chunk of ginger about the size of your thumb or a little longer. As soon as you purchase them, look for firm, light-colored ginger roots with bumpy little buds at the tips. In India, you can start growing your ginger in late summer or in the beginning of monsoon. If you would like to grow more than one plant, then cut the ginger with sanitized knife. You can also simply break them by hand. Now you should make an antifungal solution and then keep it for at least 30 minutes. My mom uses turmeric in water. After 30 minutes is over, remove the ginger from the water. Then you must simply let them dry for 1 day. Well, now time to prepare the soil. Ginger thrives on high-quality, well-drained soil. My mom uses 60% garden soil, 20% tea leaf compost and 20% kitchen waste compost. The ones who want to know how to make kitchen waste compost and tea leaf compost can visit our channel and watch those videos. Place the ginger horizontally. Plant each piece of ginger 2 to 4 inches below loose soil with buds pointing upward. Water lightly right after planting. Also remember to check the soil daily and water just before it dries out completely. Soggy soil will quickly rot your roots, so reduce watering or improve drainage if the water does not drain quickly. Now time to repot our germinated ginger plant. For this, you must prepare a highly fertile soil. In here, my mom uses tea leaf compost and kitchen waste compost, then mixes them thoroughly. ginger grows slowly, especially outside of the tropics. A sprout might appear within a few days if you are lucky, but continue to water for at least a couple weeks before giving up on the plant. This is our germinated ginger plant. Now notice carefully how my mom plants this germinated ginger plant. My mom is removing the extra ginger of this plant. Only keep the root and the plant, not the ginger anymore. So you can wash the extra ginger and reuse it in your diet. It's interesting that you're planting ginger free cost. Now you have to know when to fertilize your plant. Fertilization is not required if the ginger is in rich soil, especially if you have mixed in compost. If soil is poor or you'd like to improve yield, fertilize with small amount of complete liquid fertilizer each month. We have already uploaded about how to make liquid fertilizer from kitchen waste. This is our last year organic ginger plant. You can try this and grow organic ginger in your garden. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.